Option number 441. Teacher.
प्रश्न का उत्तर सभा पटल पर रखा गया।
Please go to your seat. क्या हो रहा है ये? Please. The House stands adjourned to meet again at 12 o'clock.
లోక్సభ సమావేశాలు ప్రారంభమైన కొద్దిసేపటికే 12 గంటలకు వాయిదా పడ్డాయి. ఇప్పుడు రాజ్యసభ సమావేశాలు లైవ్ గా చూద్దాం.
नाम के सामने उल्लिखित कागजात सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री जयंत सिन्हा।
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Shri Jayant Sinha, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against his name at serial number 5 in today's revised list of business.
श्री विजय गोयल।
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Shri Babul Supriyo, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against his name at serial number 6 in today's revised list of business.
श्रीमती अनुप्रिया पटेल।
So, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 7 in today's revised list of business.
Good. श्री पीपी चौधरी।
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 8 in the today's revised list of business.
श्री अर्जुन राम मेघवाल।
On behalf of my colleague Dr. Satyapal Singh, I lay the papers mentioned against his name in today's revised list of business at serial number 9. Thank you.
स्टेटमेंट बाय मिनिस्टर श्री राजकुमार सिंह।
महोदय, मैं आज की पुनरीक्षित कार्य सूची में मंत्रियों द्वारा दिए जाने वाले वक्तव्य के क्रम संख्या 1 में पर मेरे सहयोगी श्री रामकृपाल यादव जी के नाम के सामने उल्लिखित ग्रामीण विकास संबंधी स्थायी समिति की 10वीं तथा 18वीं रिपोर्ट में निहित सिफारिशों के क्रियान्वयन की स्थिति सभापति से पटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूँ।
श्री मनसुख भाई मांडविया।
Sir, with your permission, I rise to make statement regarding status of the implementation of recommendations contained and the 252nd reports and 253rd reports of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture on the action taken by the government on the observation recommendations contained in the 246th report and 247th report of the committee on demands of grant 2017-18 pertaining to the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways and Ministry of Shipping respectively. Since the statement are lengthy, I do not want to take precious time of the House. I seek your permissions to lay this statement on the table of the House.
Thank you. Honorable members, we have a quite good number of MPs retiring from Rajya Sabha. Please, it's a farewell. This is not fair. No, please. Mr. Maitreyan, don't do it. No, this is not correct. This is not the way. This is not. Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. Nothing to be shown, nothing to be recorded.
Our voice is already stifled. You are also stifling our voice. No problem for us.
Please go back. Please go back. You can do it. This is not the time. This is not the time. You cannot do it in the House like this. This will be speaking very poorly about the Rajya Sabha. We don't have even courtesy towards the retiring members. We don't have even courtesy for the retiring members. You people also may retire one day. Please. Otherwise I have to name you. Please go back to your seats. Please go back to your seats. Please, both the AIADMK and the Telugu Desam members, please go back to your seats. of the opposition, are we so helpless? LOP, I'm asking LOP. Right. Are we so helpless?
Sir, we will have to take the call.
Are we so helpless?
Sir, we are in favor of the House should function.
Leader of the House? Leader of the House? Are we so helpless? Now, what is the view of the government? I would like to know from the Leader of the House, what is the view of the government? Leader of the House or the Parliament Affairs Minister? The LOP is saying House must run and they don't approve this.
सर मैं सदस्यों से अपील करना चाहता हूं कि बहुत सारे हमारे सीनियर जो मेंबर्स हैं वो और बहुत सारे लोग जिन्होंने 6 साल तक राज्यसभा के अंदर सर्व किया है, राज्यसभा में अपना योगदान दिया है, वो रिटायर हो रहे हैं। तो ऐसे के अंदर सभी पार्टियों को चाहिए और खास तौर से जो लोग वेल में आए हैं कि आज उनका फेयरवेल है तो वो कम से कम अपने अनुभव और अपनी यादें रखना चाहेंगे तो उनको वे रखने दें। सरकार के पास भी बहुत कामकाज है, अगर आपके पास कोई विषय है तो सरकार उस पर चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार है। और जो चेयरमैन साहब ने कहा कि सबको हमको मौका देंगे, तो मैं अपील करना चाहता हूं कि सभी जो मेंबर्स हैं वे अपने अपने स्थानों के ऊपर चले जाएं, क्योंकि ये कोई पॉलिटिकल विषय नहीं है, ये तो एक तरह से राज्यसभा के सदस्यों के लिए एक जीवन के अंदर एक बहुत बड़ा अनुभव है।
Nothing is going on record, nothing is going to be shown. Why are you doing all this? I'm not able to understand. Very wrong, very wrong, very wrong, very wrong, totally undemocratic, unbecoming of the members of parliament. Please don't do this. You are not going to be helped in any way by this sort of shouting and showing of these placards. Your cause is not getting any strength. You are weakening your cause. If at all you have a cause, you are weakening your cause. Please, please, you are all members. You are all members. You must uphold the dignity. And the House is adjourned for 15 minutes. I request the leaders of the parties to please come to the chamber of the chairman. 15 minutes.